Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 11. Today we learn about functions. Functions let you reuse blocks of code. Def defines a function you can call by name. Parameters let functions accept different inputs. Return sends a value back to the caller. Let us create func_basics.py. Def creates a function called greet. Calling greet runs its code. Name is a parameter for the function. Alice and Bob are passed as arguments. Return sends a value back. We store and print the result. A docstring explains the function. We access it with __doc__. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Greet printed hello world twice as expected. Default values make parameters optional. Keyword arguments let you pass in any order. Functions can return multiple values as a tuple. Let us create func_params.py. Greeting has a default value of hello. Alice gets the default, Bob gets high. Profile takes 3 parameters. Keywords let you pass in any order. Min_max returns 2 values as a tuple. We unpack low and high. X inside the function is local. Global X stays 10 after the call. Global modifies the outer variable. 3 calls increased counter to 3. Let us review and run the code. Alice got hello, Bob got high from the default. Counter is 3 from global sharing. Let us build a grade calculator with functions. Each function handles one specific task. Functions call other functions to build results. Let us create grade_calculator.py. Calculate_average divides the sum by the count. Get_letter_grade converts a number to a letter. Is underscore passing checks if the grade is F. Print_report calls all three functions. We store student scores in a dictionary. The loop calls print_report for each student. A comprehension calculates the class average. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the grade calculator. Alice got an A with a 90.5 average. Let us recap functions. Def defines reusable blocks of code. Parameters and return values pass data in and out. Default values and keyword arguments add flexibility. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore more on functions.